Let's take a look at the direct method. The McDonnell Douglas framework is a predominant method used by the courts to analyze disparate treatment cases. It's often referred to as the indirect method because it focuses on whether the defendant employer's explanation for an employment decision is believable rather than on evidence that speaks more directly to the motive. When plaintiffs are required to show that a discriminatory motive was the but for cause for an employment decision, the divisive factor, establishing that other lawful motives had little or no effect on the decision is critical. But while many discrimination cases use the highly structured approach of the indirect method and center on evidence of pretext, this is just one means of getting the ultimate question of whether discrimination has occurred. When there's sufficient evidence of a discriminatory motive, whether that evidence is direct or circumstantial, plaintiffs can prevail under those anti-discrimination laws that permit a mixed motive analysis. Within a mixed motives analysis, plaintiffs need only to show that a discriminatory motive played some part of an employment decision, which they can do without proving false any lawful motives advanced by the employer. Thus, a more direct approach is also sometimes used by plaintiffs in court. The direct method of analyzing disparate treatment cases is less structured and more likely to be applied in cases where strong, although usually still circumstantial, evidence exists regarding the decision maker's motives. It is important not to confuse this distinction between direct and indirect methods of analysis with earlier mentioned distinctions between direct and circumstantial evidence. The key to the direct method of proof is that the evidence, whether direct or circumstantial, points directly to a discriminatory reason for the employer's action.